Hey guys, welcome back. So a few months ago, I talked about doing a prize giveaway, a bigger one than normal, right here on the BMW Fanatic YouTube channel. And I appreciate all your guys' comments and feedback and voting, which led to doing a gift card, let's say through FCP Euro. So I've landed on FCP Euro, of course, you know, with the lifetime replacement guarantee. It's a great place for BMW parts. And it's perfect for any kind of maintenance stuff that you need because they carry basically everything. So we want to figure out as far as what would be a great dollar amount for that gift card. Now this should buy a decent amount of maintenance stuff, whether it's plugs or coils, maybe some brakes, pads, whatever you wanted to do, because that's a gift card. I figured it would be better that way just because of it's going to be tailored to what you need specifically and maybe not so much a general price that's out there. So what are you guys thinking? Should it be $200, $300, $400, $500? What is a good amount that would be great for a prize that would still be able to buy a decent amount of stuff, the general stuff that you might need, right? And like I mentioned, some of the maintenance things. Let me know in the comment section below. I'm really curious because I want to figure out like what would be a fair dollar amount to give back to you guys for, of course, tuning in here right on the channel. Let me hear your thoughts right down there below. We'll get that ramped up here very soon so we can get that started. Gonna be doing a driving video tomorrow, so we're gonna be doing some of that. Gonna do some data logs, so stay tuned for that here tomorrow. Gonna be taking the 335 out. I have to make a few runs. I'm gonna show you the great many back roads that I have around my new house now. So much better than the last location, so I'm definitely looking forward to that. Well, like I said, comment section below. Thanks guys for stopping in. Appreciate it and take care.